Major, I've never heard you talk like that.
Give me my card. I want you to be card. Oh.
Give me the card!
Oh, it's an easy.
Damn, Major.
See? Serious. Or you try to steal a Pokemon card.
Your flowers smell like poo-poo?
They're not mine, they're my mom's.
Oh.
Well, then your mom's flowers smell like poop. And they always have.
Who wants oil candy?
That's not candy, that's vitamin. That's from a fish.
Remember you popped one of these and it went all over your room and then it smelled like... No, Major, or do it in the living room.
Do it in the living room!
Just don't go in it. No! Yeah.
The parents pop a vitamin!
Don't let it get on you. Just... so scared.
Run into! Try harder! You can't do it! Don't put on your Avery's phone! Just say it! Now you go!
Okay. Oh my god, don't bring it over here.
Ooh.
At all?
The freaking thing.
Abby.
I'm gonna hit you with this.
Again.
Yes, again.
Okay, it doesn't smell. Hey guys, I can
No, okay, we're fine.
done.
Really?
Yeah, it's starting to stink. Ew, ew.
Oh!
Why did you do that? Put the faucet on. Look at this, mother, you look at this!
Oh my god, she caught you! Show it!
This crazy bitch!
Where? You caught him! You idiot!
There's no blood over there?
On the knife, on his skin, there's blood leaking
It
out.
was an accident!
Oh yeah, throw it like this. It's on here.
Like, you really should have a fucking knife in your hand.
Stop. Hand over the knife. No longer have access to knives in this house.
It doesn't hurt.
Well, me and Avery are here.
I'm okay.
It's fine, I cut myself anyway.
Why? Did you mean what Samantha did? What?
What?
I'm confused.
Sam cut herself.
Samantha?
Yeah, she cuts herself a lot.
Samantha. Oh, okay.
The one on their team!
Oh yeah. Okay.
Well, Band-Aid at least.
Oh,
Oh, we don't have any.
Are you serious?
If I had
Right
some,
at the time of need.
Yeah.
if I had some of these, my leg would be covered.
So I cut my toe earlier on my bed. I just